How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. And if you have enabled restricted mode, what you need to do is make sure to tap the profile icon from here, and when you tap the profile icon you can just tap the gear icon located at the top right, and from here on just go to the option called general, and when you go to general over here just scroll down again to the bottom. You'll find the option called restricted mode. So if it is turned on, you just have to turn off this toggle. If it's turned on, it's going to be highlighted in blue. If it's turned off, it's going to get grayed out. So that's the thing you want to remember. And this way you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.